Why? Does it have... Oh no, kitty.
Eat the kitty, Carrot, eat the kitty. Carrot, eat the kitty. Spike!
Why?
Mir, say hi.
Kitty. You're so jumpy.
The cat hates you, Kira.
Pick up. That's weird.
You love kitties.
I can see better with both our glasses on at the same time, but I can't see both.
Mir has got the cat.
See what?
Eat the cat, Mir, eat it.
That's so weird.
Make your weirdest face.
Your death face.
Yeah.
One only eyes. No!
Make your death face. Wait, wait. Damn it, I can't get both of you in. Make your death face, Kira. Yeah!
You may have won this time, but I have your cat.
I don't need that cat anyway. I just have to write its name down, then you won't have a cat anymore.
And that seals it. Kira is a bitch.
Does it work for animals?
You'd want to find out, wouldn't you? Here comes Misa.
I don't know if I want to do that here.
Misa, wave! Misa, wave.
Put two little pigtail things.
It's not a pose, it's actually recording.
Oh, hey, what's up? Say hi.
How does Kira feel about this? I mean, Vital Queen feel about this?
It's checking them all
How
down.
does Vital thank you go?
Speak, Kira, speak.
I kind of love
Oh.
Kira speaks shine language.
What's so stressed?
Now think about the Kira. What does Kira think about that?
I'll hug her. I'm going to eat you, kitty.
Aren't these awesome now?
Now what does Mir think?
They make me look symmetrical.
Near.
The cat's here.
Mir, what do you think?
I'm so stressed.
Hurry,
right now.
What?
what do you think about the situation?
I wasn't paying
Tickly
attention.
legs! Tickly legs! Tickly legs! Oh crap, you saw that. Okay,
Hey, Misa, weren't you like 10 pounds heavier?
You scared the cat away. Your poor robotic heart chased the cat away.